Hi guys, this is Magdalena and welcome to Brooks Brothers with this wonderful cafe. And behind me you can see clothes, trying to bring people inside the stores and take advantage of the space that they have and bringing the right crowd. You're drinking coffee and then, hey, there is in front of me a guy, a mannequin wearing a suit and a lady wearing a shirt, and I'm sipping my coffee and I keep looking at this beautiful blouse and I might really fall in love with it. So talking about that, two different industries, how do you connect them together? Sometimes might be challenging, but usually, there are some kind of neurons that they connect them. They don't touch each other, but actually they are talking to each other. Somebody asked me a question. Hey Magdalena, I just changed the industry and I would like to start promoting what I'm doing, but I don't know where to start. I'm not so knowledgeable yet about what we are doing in this new company, but I have a lot of experience in different areas. The answer is no problem, because actually we anyway don't want to be making sales videos. What it's good to do is to talk about the problems that we have. Hey, I'm changing an industry, how to fit in, what to do, what kind of strategy to take to make it work for me. So you can document your journey, how you do it, the successes and the failures, because we all, have both of them. It's never perfect, but it's our journey. Don't worry. Nowadays, there is video marketing, and you can share and be personable with people and show who you are, because mostly, if you are not yet an expert, people going to see that you are a good person, you're trying to get them a good deal, and they will go with you, versus with somebody who's like super knowledgeable, but then maybe there is something fishy about them. So guys, this was Magdalena from Miss Immigrant, Anti-Bag, and Orange River Media from Brooks Brothers.